Hey Bilaras, welcome back to your favorite spot for natural skincare. Are you struggling with large visible pores and wondering why your skin still feels rough even after all those fancy products? If you've been asking yourself how to finally get that smooth, flawless glow, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end because I will be sharing 5 powerful methods to naturally minimize and tighten pores for smooth, glowing skin. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my natural skincare secrets. Ready to say goodbye to large pores? Let's get started. Let's start with something simple but super effective. Cucumber. Cucumber is packed with water and vitamin C, which tightens the skin and shrinks pores. Take fresh cucumber slices and gently rub them on your face in circular motions for about 5 to 10 minutes. This hydrates and cools your skin, giving it a smooth, refreshed look. Do this daily for the best results. Next up is one of my favorites, clay mask. Mix clay powder with rose water to form a smooth paste. I used Moroccan Ghassoul. You can check out my full video about it linked above. Apply it all over your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse off gently and don't forget to moisturize afterwards. This mask absorbs excess oil, clears clogged pores, and leaves your skin feeling super soft. Use this mask once a week for glowing, pore-free skin. Now, let's sweeten things up with honey. Honey is a natural humectant and antibacterial, making it perfect for tightening pores and soothing skin. Just apply a thin layer of raw honey to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Use this 2 to 3 times a week for smooth, radiant skin. Now, let me quickly share 2 more amazing tips to shrink your pores. The first one is ice cubes. Gently dab ice cubes on your skin after cleansing for a few seconds. If you have sensitive skin, wrap the ice in a thin cloth to avoid ice burns. This instantly tightens pores and reduces redness. The second one is rose water toner. Use rose water as a daily toner to balance your skin and minimize pores. It's gentle, refreshing, and perfect for all skin types. Want to know how to make your own rose water at home? Check out my DIY tutorial linked above. And that's it, Bilaras. These 5 natural methods will help you shrink and minimize the appearance of pores, giving you a smoother, more radiant skin. But remember, pores are a natural part of our skin. And while we can't completely get rid of them, we can definitely make them look smaller and keep them clean and healthy. Now, I want to hear from you. What skincare topic should I cover next? Drop your ideas in the comments below and I might feature your suggestion in my next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips every week. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay glowing. Bye!